Well guys, I'm in Mahogany Bay, going to be known as Isla Tropicale, and I'm fixing to get on the Carnival Jubilee, so come go with me as I board. Well, you can see the ship up above the trees. There's where we're going. Well, here's where we're headed, back to the ship. One thing about it, it's a pretty little walk getting back on the ship. There's the ship up above the trees. Carnival always has plenty of photographers taking your picture. We actually stopped and took our picture getting off. They always funnel you through a duty-free shop on the way back to the ship. Give you a chance to buy one more thing on the way. Well, here's what it is. You can buy rum cakes and a lot of liquor. Well, we got to go show this gentleman our card before we get back on the ship. There's a little picture of the ship. Carnival Jubilee, that's a big ship. As of the time of this filming, and it won't be one of these days, but the Jubilee, the Mardi Gras, and the Celebration are the three biggest in the Carnival fleet. You look right across there, they got a free private beach you can hang out on for the day. There's a chairlift that will take you over there if you don't want to walk. See what the ship rope looks like. That's one big rope.
Are these?
Yeah, we're under the lifeboats. We've been that close to this cruise ship. A little better shot of the beach over there and the chairlift taking you down there to it. Well, I guess if you've had a long walk getting back, they've got a place you can sit and rest before you get back on. Alrighty, here's where we go in. Look out. Ah. And we're back on the ship. Looks like a lot of people decided to get back on. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little boarding the Jubilee in Mahogany Bay, Roatan, Honduras. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.